Ever stayed somewhere that made you feel like a local instead of a tourist? That's exactly what happened at Toby's Resort in Montego Bay. The most important thing about Toby's Resort, the location. It's within walking distance to two of the best beaches in Montego Bay, Doctor's Cave Beach and Harmony Beach. You can roll out of bed, grab your beach bag, and be wiggling your toes in that famous white sand within minutes. Plus, you've got the hip strip right there with all the shopping and vibes you could want. There's free parking, so you can leave your car at the hotel and explore on foot. If you're staying at Toby's Resort, you don't need a car to enjoy the best of Montego Bay. But wait, it gets better. This place has 2 pools, 2 bars, and a restaurant serving up some seriously good food. And they've got a pool table right there in the restaurant. The property is well kept and beautifully laid out with large buildings that have regular hotel rooms, plus these cute standalone cabins if you want that extra privacy. And the best part? The rooms are modern and updated. We're not talking outdated decor or old fixtures. Everything feels fresh and current. The staff doesn't just work here, they genuinely care. Oh, and for all my fitness folks out there, they have a small gym. So you can keep up with your routine while you're living your best island life. The whole vibe at Toby's is just chill. It's not trying to be some fancy all-inclusive where everything feels staged. This is authentic Jamaican hospitality with all the comfort and convenience you need. So if you're planning a trip to Montego Bay and you want to be close to everything without breaking the bank, Toby's Resort is an excellent option. If you enjoyed getting the inside scoop on this hidden gem, go ahead and tap that like button and drop a comment below telling me what part of Jamaica you want to explore next. I'm always looking for my next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more real talk about Jamaica's best spots. The link to Toby's Resort is in the description below.